Good morning, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. You know, when I look out my window, I can see that the trees are dancing. Do you know what that means? When I see trees that are dancing, they're swaying and moving, and that means it's windy outside. And sometimes on weather like this, when it's windy, it means it might rain. I love a good rainstorm. I'm excited. How about you? What do you like? Do you like when it's sunny or cloudy or snowing or raining? I wonder. Today, friends, I thought we would talk about this animal. Do you remember what that is? There's lots of them out right now. They live in trees and they build nests. You're right, birds. Let's start with one song. Ready? Put your 2 fingers out like this. 2 little black birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Good job. Should we try one more version? There's different ways you can sing it. This time, they're going to go fast and slow. Okay? 2 little blackbirds sitting in the snow. One named fast, one named slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. And come back slow. Good job. Okay, let's settle in for our story. Check your engine. Mine's pretty normal today. It's going boom, boom, boom. Not boom, 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 boom. Not fast, but not slow. So I'm going to take 2 deep breaths to settle it down. Ready? Good job. And 2. Oh, now it's definitely slowing down. Is yours ready? Good. Let's sing our story songs. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Put your hands in your lap, in your lap. Put your hands in your lap, in your lap. Put your hands in your lap, not under your bottoms. Ouch! Put your hands in your lap, in your lap. Eyes are watching, ears are listening. Voices quiet, body still. This is how we listen, this is how we listen to our story, to our story. Today's story, friends, is about birds. Yeah, it's called Birds, and it's by Henkes. He's got some cool books. I really like the pictures in this book. Look at those beautiful blossoms. I wonder if they're cherry or apple. I don't know. And here's some birds. A blue bird, a blue jay, a yellow bird, maybe a goldfinch. Does anyone know this one here? It's a robin. You can tell because they have this big red tummy. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. You ever heard birds when you first wake up? Usually it's the robins in the morning for me. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. There's some birds in the trees. Have you ever seen a green bird? I haven't. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shape. Crows are that dark, and ravens, they're so pretty. Birds can be big, like this pink bird. What bird is that? Does anyone know? It's a flamingo. Yeah. Or tiny birds. Does anyone know what this tiny bird is? It's a hummingbird. Yeah. Or any size in between. Look at all these different birds. There's owls and seagulls. I don't know the other ones. I'd have to look them up. Once I saw 7 birds sitting on a telephone wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They didn't move. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second. Oop, I missed the page. And they were gone. Where'd they go? I looked away for just a second and saw the robin was back on my porch. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think of what the sky would look like. This is what he thinks the sky would look like. Wouldn't that be cool? Colors. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. Or like this. Sleeping birds. Do you ever look at clouds and see things like that, friends? Sometimes you can see lots of shapes in the clouds. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like a leaf left over. This red bird is called a cardinal. And look, he's just sitting there and he kind of looks like a leaf. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise! There go all the birds." If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get to their nests. I wonder where they go. Do they hang out in trees or under the bushes? I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. And friends, this is that robin again. Do you know what a robin sounds like? Sometimes they say that birds say words when they're chirping. So when you hear a robin, it sounds like it's saying, "Cheerio, cheerily, cheery me." If you say it really fast, you kind of sound like a robin. "Cheerio, cheery me, cheer up." Pretty silly. All right, should we do our mystery box? No birds in here today, just the dinosaurs. Let's see what color we get. Oh, this is that little skinny one. He's got the spikes on the side and then this big club tail. Yeah, what color is it? It's purple. Yay. All right, my friends, I'll see you next time.